Unlock the secrets to boosting your credit score and taking control of your financial destiny. Join us in our captivating video on understanding credit utilization, where we reveal the power of this often overlooked factor. Discover how credit utilization can make or break your credit score, and gain invaluable strategies to leverage it to your advantage. Get ready to unlock the doors to financial freedom. Welcome to our video on understanding credit utilization. If you're someone who wants to improve your credit score and financial health, this video is for you. In this video, we'll discuss the basics of credit utilization and how it can impact your credit score. We'll also provide you with tips on how to use credit utilization to your advantage. Credit utilization is a measure of how much of your available credit you're currently using. It's calculated by dividing your credit card balance by your credit limit. For example, if you have a credit card with a $10,000 limit and you have a balance of $5,000, your credit utilization rate is 50%. Your credit utilization rate is an important factor that affects your credit score. In fact, it makes up 30% of your FICO credit score. This means that the higher your credit utilization rate, the lower your credit score will be. That's why it's important to keep your credit utilization rate as low as possible. One way to keep your credit utilization rate low is to make multiple payments throughout the month instead of waiting until the due date to make a single payment. This can help keep your balance low and your credit utilization rate in check. Another way to keep your credit utilization rate low is to increase your credit limit. If you have a higher credit limit, your credit utilization rate will be lower even if you have the same balance. However, increasing your credit limit can be risky if you're not disciplined with your spending. It's also important to keep in mind that not all credit utilization is bad. Using some of your available credit can actually help your credit score if you make your payments on time and keep your balances low. This shows lenders that you're responsible with credit and can handle debt. That's all for our video on understanding credit utilization. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. Remember, maintaining a low credit utilization rate is important for your credit score and overall financial health. By using the tips we've provided, you can make credit utilization work for you. Thanks for watching.